Hi, dear Capricorn. A very, very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a general of reading for all the Capricorns, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind, this is general. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime. Third thing, this is a reading from 23rd till the 31st of January. So let's start. Capricorn, yeah. Your partner's current feelings for you right now are, let's see. Okay. Nine of Cups. So your partner feels like you are their wish fulfillment. You are the one who make them really happy, and they feel really, really great with you. They feel like a wish fulfilled with you. Okay, they feel like you really fill their cups. Okay, with lots of happiness, with lots of love. Wow. Let me clarify the Nine of Cups. King of Cups, the Wheel of Fortune, and the Two of Wands. Yeah, this person is love. This person is deeply in love with you. From Nine of Cups, this is the highest level of cup, you can say, the King of Cups, and they are just waiting for the right time to connect with you or reconnect with you, or they feel like waiting is. They're just waiting for you right now. They are just waiting. Might be they proposed you and they are waiting for your answer. They are waiting for your yes, or there is something that is related to universal timing. That is something, there's something that is related to waiting. This person feels you are their happiness, you are the one for them. They love you deeply, but they are waiting. Okay, they are waiting for something. Wow. Let's see what you feel for this person. This person really loves you a lot. Page of Pentacles. You feel this person is somebody new, might be, or newish to you, or this person might be younger to you. You feel like this person is not serious about you, okay? And first of all, you feel this person is not serious about you. And second thing, I think you want to, you feel like taking it slow or taking it how it is coming, okay? You feel like, yeah, Page of Pentacles, you feel like opening up to this person or opening up to their proposal, okay? Let me clarify. This is kind of something that is new to you or newish to you. Might be you know this person from the past, but this is something that is new for you, and you are dealing with it like in a very uh, naive way, you can say, or kid like energy. It's like newish energy, and you are like dealing with it like with caution, you can say. Let me clarify the Page of Pentacles for you. Your feelings: Five of Swords, and the Three of Cups, and the Page of Cups. Lots of Page of Cups. Because of somebody did something really bad in the past, might be because of some kind of hurts, because of some kind of issues, emotional issues. You are taking this thing not very seriously, okay? I'm not seeing you very, very serious about this, Cappy. And you are like, yeah, although this is a proposal coming to me, or although this is new energy of love or something, I'll take it casually for the time being, because of some kind of past hurt, because of ego conflicts or whatever happened in the past, I don't know. You are still carrying this pain of the past, and you are taking it really slow. You are taking it as like, yeah, I'll see where it goes. You're not kind of very serious. I don't see you very serious about this, okay? So yeah, although you are also developing some kind of feelings for this person, but these are not very, very like mature kind of deep kind of feelings. Let's see what this person wants from you, Cappy. Star. This person is very hopeful and positive. They feel like a soulmate connection with you. They feel a soul connection with you, a soul tie with you. So, what they want from this connection or from this relationship with you, they want healing. They want healing, and they are positive. They want positive movement and forward movement in this connection. Could be dealing with an Aquarius here, but this person is hoping for the best about this connection. They are hoping that you might also fall in love with them someday, and this relationship is going to be very beautiful someday. They are looking for the stars, they are looking upwards, okay? And they are praying for you, they are wishing, yes, they are hoping and praying and wishing for you to be with them, okay? The roles can be reversed anytime. I told you it could be you doing that. Let me clarify. The Tower, the Ace of Wands, And the Nine of Wands, yeah. This is something very sudden for them. This is something uh, that they realize that they want to have a brand new beginning with you. They realize that they have to take some kind of action towards you. They are not ready to give up on the situation with you. I feel like this person is also hurt. Might be because uh, you guys had a fallout in the past, or might be because they had a fallout with somebody. They are coming out of a place of fear, coming out of a place of shock, and they are coming out of a place of sudden realization about something. This person is deeply hurt, but they feel like they want to take an action towards you. Okay, and they don't want to give up on the situation with you, no matter how hurt they are, because of the past person, might be because of you. I don't know why this person is very hurt, but they are not ready to give up on this situation with you. They are hoping for and wishing for you in their life. Okay, they want to take action towards you. Might be they already took some kind of action, but for some of you they just wanted. I don't see them doing that. I will see in the action card, but right now they are just wishing that you will accept their proposal, or might be feel the soul connection that they feel with you. This is the energy. Let's see what you want from this person or from this connection. Two of Cups, wow, beautiful. You want Two of Cups with this particular relationship, with this particular connection, or in general, it could also be possible that in general you want a soulmate connection, you want a meaningful connection. You don't want to time pass, you don't want to, waste your time on stupid things or flings or something that is not meant for you. It's like you want a soulmate connection, a soulful energy. Let me clarify the Two of Cups. Four of Swords and the Knight of Swords and the Chariot. Okay, you don't want to rush into anything. It's like you don't want to rush into anything, and you're very determined this time. You're very, very determined this time that all you want from a connection or from this particular connection, you can say this is, take it how it resonates with you. So all you want from a connection is a two of cups energy, a beautiful soulmate connection. You don't want to rush into anything. You are very determined and you are very courageous. You are like, I'm very determined this time that all I want is a soulful connection, a soulmate connection. I don't want to waste my time on anything less than a soulmate connection. Okay, so what you want from this relationship is a soulmate connection. If it is not going to serve the soulmate energy with you, I feel you are just going to move on from this connection. Okay, you are ready to move on from this connection if you are not going to get what you want from this particular situation, Capricorn. Okay, this is what I'm getting here. Let's see what action are they going to take towards you till the end of January. Page of Wands, yes, they're coming towards you, they're taking an action, they're opening up, but I don't see they are going to come towards you and they will be like, yeah, I love you and please be with me and just like that, blah blah. No, I don't. I see they are going to start with a friendship level. Okay, they are going to explore things with you. They are going to, might be you guys, they are going to invite you on a date, or they are going to invite you, let's go somewhere, let's hang out somewhere, let's do something fun. There's action from their side. This is beautiful energy of coming together or coming back together. It could be take it how it resonates. So there is lots of pages here. So this is start of something new, or this is something brand new for you, or this is restart of something new. Let me clarify the page of wands, sorry. Magician, the Hermit, and the Six of Wands. Yes, this person is manifesting you silently. They are manifesting a future with you. They are manifesting success, victory, and for some of you marriage also. So this person is coming with this energy of, let's start from scratch, let's start from friendship level, and let's make it to the marriage level. But I don't see this person, coming with this energy of proposing you for marriage directly. They will come towards you as a friend, you can say, or as a potential lover. You will realize with their energy that what they want, okay, in the long term. But right now I feel this is more of a friendship energy that they're coming with, and let's see where it goes from. And from within, this person is deeply in love with you. From within, they feel like having a marriage future with you in the future. But right now they're coming in with this energy of, let's see where it is going, let's start meeting and exploring good things together. Okay, let's see what is the guidance for you, Capricorn. Five of Pentacles. Don't be in this energy of loss. you're lost. So you are feeling the loss, you are feeling betrayed, you are feeling like somebody left you hanging on the wall, somebody left you in the cold, and somebody did something really wrong with you. Come out of this energy, okay? Come out of this energy of loss and explore new things, explore new people. Now I'm definitely sure that this is somebody newish coming to your life. You might be knowing this person from a while, but now these things are like taking a shape in this connection with you, Capricorn. So go ahead, don't worry, everything is going to be fine. Not everything is meant to give you heartache, or to give you this energy of loss, or energy of left out in the cold. No, nothing is like that. Stop, drop your ego, kind of drop your negative things, negative thinking, and just explore new things in life. You are going to be happy, okay? So don't worry. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.